Are you gonna do your best and do a great job?
Sure. Yeah, sure, yeah.
Hello guys.
Hello.
For today, for this video, this is gonna be a funny one because my sister is here. I will be doing a mini canvas tutorial and she will be doing the voiceover for it. Do you have any words to say, Nadine?
I'm just gonna say,
Are you gonna do your best and do a great job?
sure. Yeah, sure, yeah.
Look forward to the video. What should they do, Nadine?
Like and subscribe.
Okay. Let's get on with the video.
Mic test,
Okay, too loud.
Okay, today we are going to paint a lavender field, right? Just use a brush. Oh, dip into that blue and that white, and then it makes the color pale blue. Then you put it on the canvas like so. The next thing you do is add some more.
You're so bad, Cheryl.
You paint most of the actually all of the canvas, and also do the sides because that is also important. You might struggle with this like she did, but it's fine. It's fine if you get your hands dirty because it's fun. Yeah, I like getting my hands dirty. Okay, once your blue paint is dry, next you add some white, like a lighter shade of blue, just streaks of white in the sky, which are supposed to be clouds. Yeah. Just tap, 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 until your painting looks like clouds. Add more white for more texture, and tap, 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 PT, tap, tap. Make sure that it has different shades of white so that it looks more pretty. Once you're content with your clouds, next up you take a smaller brush and get some green paint, which is called phthalo green. Oh, yes. Phthalo green. Phthalo green, I guess. And you take your small brush and you then make little lines as grass and leaves. Flick up. Yes. Flick. Flick. Yes, like that. Yes. And you continue on until most of the part of the bottom is filled with just green grass and leaves. Make sure that it's not very symmetrical and the grass crosses each other and it's more natural. Next up, you use your sap green and use the same brush as you did before and just tappity tap inside, and then add more grass just to make it more diverse and it looks more natural. Just do the same thing you did with the other one. Next, we're going to contemplate what to do next because the person here doesn't know either. Okay, now take another brush and take some brown and some of that sap green and mix it until it's a poopy green. And add more brown because we love that brown. So now that you've got an army green, you add more of that grass because it needs to be more natural. There's healthy grass, there's dead grass. Yeah. And then make sure to make it dry after. Use any way you want, such as blow drying. Make sure it's dry. Once your grass is dry, or at least mostly dry, you take a small brush, like so, and you dip it in your brown and your green, and you mix it up until you get a very dark green. Once you have that color, you will take your small brush and make tall grass that will be the stem of your lavender flowers. Make sure to make it a little bit more taller and thinner than all the other grasses. Grasses? Is that a word? Take some purple, wonderful purple, and put some purple on the very, 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 very top of your stems that you just made, and make small little flicks of purple that are on each side of the stem, like so, and make the what is it called? The petals bigger as you go down. And you add it to all the stems you added onto your painting until all the stems have those purple petals. Look how pretty it is. I love the smell of lavenders. Yum. Who here loves lavenders? Oh, I sure do. Once you're done with your lavender, instead you take some of that white and some of that purple to make a more light purple color, and then you add it onto your lavender, so there's more shades of purple. It's only on one side of the stem, and you have to choose only one side, not both. So make sure to only put it on one side because it will look wonky if you do the other side too. Who here loves lavender? Okay, so once you're content with your lavender, add some leaves to your stem or anywhere, and just make a little stroking, brush strokes, and then make sure that it looks good. Yeah. Ta-da. And then if you would like to, you can add some white dots to wherever she puts it. Some white dots to the petals of the lavender thing. I don't understand her. I don't know why she does this thing. And then once you like your painting and you've added your little details, you can sign your painting so that everyone knows that you made this. If it's good or bad, you made that. So you can just do your initials or something, or you can do your whole name. And ta-da! That is the lavender field. with a pretty blue sky. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe this video, and you should do that because it's good content because I'm in it. Bye. That was too loud. Bye.